Turing machine. In this video we will study what is Turing machine. So Turing machine consists of a finite controls which be in any finite states of machines. There is a tape which is divided into squares of cells. Each cell can hold any number of symbols. Initially the input is a finite length string of symbols chosen from input alphabet and is placed toward table. Suppose our string is 0011. So how it will store into the tape? It will store like this way: 0011, and it will have initially all the B. B stands for blocks, blank. So in this video I will give you some examples about the Turing machines. Let us take the language that accepts Turing machine 0 raised to n, 1 raised to n, such that n greater than or equal to 1. So before designing the Turing machine for such languages, we will initially see our logic, what we will do to design such a Turing machine. First of all, we will write all the valid strings for the given language. That is, it will be 0, 1, either 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1, 1, or it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. After seeing those valid strings, we can identify that the number of occurrences of 0 equal to number of occurrences of 1, and number of zeros coming will be equal to number of ones followed by number of zeros. So our logic will be, suppose we have a valid string 000111. So what we'll do, our tape will be here this way: B, 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 B. So in this, our tape head will start from here. We will take first input. We will get first input as 0. We will convert it into x, and we will move right till first one, and we will convert it into y. After getting first one, we will convert it into y, and we will move left till we get x. After getting x, we will move right and search for next 0. We will again convert it into x, and we will search for next one, and we will convert into y. Such the loop will be continuously going on until we get a blank. So we will now start to design the Turing machine. Turing machine consists of the states, number of states, q0, q1, q2, and the epsilons, that is will be 0 and 1. And here I will tell you what is this, and the initial state, that will be q0, blank, and the final state. Okay, so here is a transition table. Here we will write all the states: q0, q1, q2, q3, q4, and we will write here 0, 1, and on first one we will convert into x, and we have to write the replacement symbols also, and blank. So on q0 I will draw a tape here. So on getting, our head is here, on getting first 0 we will convert it into x. So q0 on 0, q0 on 0 we will get to q1, we will convert it into x and we will move right. Now what is this? It is the initial state transition q0 on 0. We will write here next state and conversion symbol and direction. So that will be q1 0, we got 0, we convert it into x and we move right. Thus how it will take place. Now q0 on 0 we get x. So we will find now the corresponding 1. We will enter into the state q1 after getting 0. So q1 will, q0 will find 0, q1 will find 1. So q1 on 1 it will convert into, it will go into the next state, it converted into y and it will move left because there are no further zeros after 1, it will be before 1 on this side left. So q2, it will enter into q2 after finding its first 1 and it is converted into y, it will move left. In q2 how much time it will go to the left till we got our first x. So on q2 if we got x we will enter into q0, we will convert it into, we will write as it is and we will move right. So our now head is here. Now we enter into q0, we got again 1 0, we will convert it into x, that will this will do, and we will go right. On q0, on q1 it found y, that is q1 it found y. So what it will do, it will be in its own state, it will keep as it is and it will move right to find it first one. After finding first one it will again move back to see next pair 0 and 1. Since there are no pairs, so q2 will get, q2 is finding x. So here he found x, q2 find x. So it will enter into q0. Now we are in q0 and we are finding 0. Since there are no 0, it will find 1. Since y is converted into 1 y, so q1 on first y, q0 on first y, it will enter into state q3. It is y and right. Why it enters into q3? Because there are no further zeros and only 1 is there. Only 1 are there. So it will enter into q3. And now we are entering into q3. So q3, now we again find y. Since it is converted into y, q3 on y will go into q3 only. It will regress and it will go to right. Now q3 will find b, so it will enter into q4, b and right. Since q4 is the final state, no transition will be done here. And q0, if finds b, directly b, no strings are there, therefore it is valid. If there are no strings, 0 1 also valid. So therefore on b, it may also enter into the final state. And on this, all this, q0 cannot find 1 because it is finding 0 and after zeros there will be y only, so no transition here. Or similar here, q2 can find y because moving left it can find y, so it will be in same state and we will move left. So this will be left, right. So this is the transition table on q1. Q1 on 0. Q1 can find 0 because here it enters into q1, it finds 0. So it will, as it will 0 as 0 and it will move right. Q2 cannot find 0. So this is the overall function of a Turing machine. Thank you and